Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. I'm back with a new video on how you can read messages on Messenger without being seen. So I'm going to be showing you a different method on how you can read messages on Messenger without being seen. I'm going to be guiding you throughout this video. So there are various methods to read messages on Messenger without being seen. So I'm going to be showing you the easiest method on how you can do it. First thing, before getting started, make sure that you've updated your Messenger application to the latest version, and also make sure that you've enabled or turned on your notification. First method in order to read messages on Messenger. So what you need to do is you need to enable your notification. Whenever you receive a message on your Messenger, the notification will pop up right in your home screen, and in order to see the message, so all you need to do is just swipe down the notification, and then you'll be able to see the message what the other person has sent, and he or she will not be notified that you've actually seen the message on Messenger. So turning on or enabling a notification is one of the methods of how to read messages on Messenger without being seen. So recently Messenger has updated the features. You'll be able to see an option as marked as unread. So in order to do that, what you need to do is, first thing, you need to log into your Messenger application and then open up the chat page, and you can go through the text what the other person has sent it to you. If you don't want that person to be notified that you've actually seen the message, then what you need to do is head back to the home screen or the chat page, right on this, and then long press on the chat. And once you do that, a list of options will appear, and right in between you'll have an option as mark as unread. Once you do that, the message will be marked as unread, and the other person will not be notified that you've actually seen the message. And if you're using iOS device, then what you need to do is do the same procedure, log into your Messenger application, and then go through the text and do the same thing, long press on the chat. As you do that, a list of options appears, and from there you'll need to click on restrict. Two different options appears, and from there you need to click on more, and the message will be unread or unmarked. And the other alternative, what you can do is you can use the third-party application. In order to read messages on Messenger without being seen, you can check it from other devices. You need to install this application. After you're done installing it, you need to open the Android Parental Control app from your device, and then you'll need to go to the targeted device with the dashboard of this device, and then you'll need to open the notification to see the incoming messages you want. And you can also check the screen remotely, and you can also check the screen with monitoring feature, and the sender will not be notified that you've actually seen the message. So those are the few steps on how you can read messages on Messenger without being seen. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.